The Achievement Club is an awards program designed to recognize Bay East realtors who have used the MLS and closed more than $4.25 million, or 10 transactions in residential and commercial sales, or closed 5 transactions in lease and rentals for the year. Bay East has generated dollar volume reports to identify all realtor members who meet the following award criteria. Please remember to review your listing inventory on the MLS by end of day February 15th, and make sure all your sales statuses are up to date to ensure you receive the correct certification. Certificates will be available on your Bay East portal on February 20th. After February 20th, if you believe you should be placed in a different category than the award you receive, or have sales generated outside the Paragon MLS, you can email additional documentation, such as the HUD-1, or a letter from your broker to memberservices@bayeast.org until March 18th. Congratulations on all you accomplished in 2023.